And you got him. And you go get that one. And then Kenji, we go get you. Excuse me, Miss Harvey's. Oh my God, that was my hand. Okay. Yoinks. Kenji. Yoinks. And then we do it again. Oh, yeah. Harley's always on defense. His ass tired. I'm down there panting too. Oh, Edge wants to go again.